Now we can get to work. Alright, YouTube, today's project, we're going to see, can tape repair a bumper? The most lenient sense of the term repair. This is where, I was involved in an unfortunate incident, and now we're going to see if we can cover this stuff up. Because the car ain't worth anything to pay to fix. I don't want to buy a new bumper or new fascia. And this is a DIY channel, so we're gonna do it ourselves. So I'm gonna trim all this excess off. Scrubbed it, power washed it, dried it off with a couple towels. I plan on just taking this tape and spanning that, and then we'll paint it. Yeah, it's gonna look like $1,000,000, right? Alright, T-Rex. It's ferociously strong tape, they say. Hey Stanley, what are you doing over there? Can I come over and say hi to the people? Got some flex to that tape. So we kind of come around this radius here. Have a sharper knife. Probably. Hey, what are you doing? You checking out the car? Alright. I'm not disappointed with that. It's going to look better than it did. See if I got some just garbage white paint. Of course, it's a little windy out. I'll probably end up painting my truck too. Be right back. Okay, so I went through all the trouble of calling the dealer and getting the color code and everything, and well, lo and behold, it ends up being Rust-Oleum gloss. So we're just going to use this. See what happens. Nothing happens. Exactly as I foresaw. New can. Let's see what we can get with this one. Not asking a lot, just want this paint to go on. Well, I'm not going to complain. We'll see if this sets up alright. Probably actually even get the license plate back on. Woohoo! Well, there you have it, guys. We can definitively say, without a shadow of a doubt, that T-Rex tape and Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel can fix a bumper. No problem. I see no issues with this down the line. This is going to be perfect. So, just wanted to make a quick video of my adventure. It's a farmer fix, but I'm not putting money into a $1,000 car. So, see you guys on the next one.